Hello guys, my name is David and today we're going to talk about switching, uh, static routing in computer networks. So here we have a scenario. In this scenario we have one, two, three, four LANs which are connected using 5 routers, and each of the routers are connected to one of the LANs, whereas router 3 isn't. It is just a mediator. So here in the first we are given an IP address 192.168.1.0/24. So using this IP address we are told to assign we are told to assign IP addresses for this scenario equally distributed. So the first LAN is assigned, since we have total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 networks. So we divide all the 256 IPs into 32 IPs using subnet mask. We get using subnetting we get the subnet mask for each network to be 255 255 255 224. So we have assigned one of the 8 networks to each of the networks required here. So the first one has 1.0, then LAN 2 has 1.30 1.31, then LAN 3's got 1.64 1.65 1.64 network, and LAN 4 has got 1.95. So yeah, 1.96, sorry, 1.96 network, and so on for all the connections between the routers, serial connections. So here in static routing we are supposed to assign, so we are supposed to tell the routers where the networks are present for it to uh, send the packets effectively. So for this router 0 here, this router is connected to 2 networks, LAN 1 network which is here, and the network between router 0 and router 1 is connected to it. So it does not have the intelligence, and it does not know where the LAN 2, LAN 3, network 6, 7, 8 and LAN 4 are present. So we are supposed to tell router 0 where all these networks are present and through which port it has to communicate. So here we know that LAN 2 is present towards serial 2/0. So we need to send the packet in that direction. So we configure the router using CLI commands. By pressing enable, we enable it, and now we configure it and then we give the command then we give the command IP root. We give the command IP root and the destination and the destination IP address 192 192.168.1.32 is the destination IP address, is the network IP address, and its subnet mask is 255.255.224, and it is present on the serial 2/0 of the router 1 network. So now this LAN 2 is being the information of LAN 2 is being fed into router 1, telling that it is present on the serial 2/0 side. Similarly, we give the same command for all the other networks. Similarly, we give all the other networks, and then we exit this portal, and now we check what, since this is already pre-done, so we now check the connections which are connected to router 1 and which are logically known to router 1. So show IP root. So this command shows all the different subnets, all the different networks that are connected to router 0. So here we have two C like 2C, which means connected, and S means serially connected. So now router 0 has the information regarding all the networks. Similarly, we are supposed to assign the same commands to all the different routers present here. Depending on which side the network is, that serial port has to be given. That's all for static routing, and I hope you guys understood. Thank you.